Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both domains and your data. Make sure the new domain is registered, unlocked, and you have the EPP or authorization code. This prevents delays when initiating a transfer. Back up your site files and export databases so you can restore if DNS changes cause temporary outages. Now log into Hostinger hPanel, go to Domains, and choose Transfer Domain or Manage on the domain you want to change. Once done, you'll be ready to initiate the actual domain change. You'll now execute the core steps. Enter the EPP code in Hostinger's transfer form and confirm who his contact details exactly as current registrar records show, because mismatches block transfers. Next, update name servers to Hostinger's defaults or your custom DNS records. Make sure any existing A, CNAME, MX records are recreated to avoid email or site downtime. While waiting for propagation, go to Hosting Manage and add or assign the domain to the correct website so Hostinger knows which files to serve. Finish by monitoring the transfer status in hPanel and approve any confirmation emails sent to the domain's administrative contact. Transfers may need manual approval. Once the domain resolves to Hostinger, verify the website, reissue or enable SSL, test email routing, and enforce HTTPS while clearing CDN and browser caches. If something goes wrong, check DNS propagation with multiple tools and confirm TTL values. Ensure name servers are correct, and use your backup to roll back content until the DNS settles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.